How to make night vision potion in Minecraft. So first you will need a crafting table and a brewing stand. So I'm just going to get one right here and place it here on the top. Now once that's done, you will need 3 water bottles, a gold ingot, 1 carrot, a blaze rod, and a nether wart. So open up your crafting table, then put the blaze rod right there and it will become blaze powder. So just put it right there. Now once that's done, just open up your brewing stand and place the 3 water bottles here at the bottom. After that, place your nether wart here on the top and place a blaze powder right here and just wait for it to finish. So while that is brewing, just open up your crafting table and place the gold ingot right here to become a gold nugget, and just get the gold nuggets and place it around the crafting table just like so, and get your carrot and place it on the middle to become a golden carrot. Now once we go back here to our brewing stand, the water bottle became awkward potions. So just get your golden carrot right here and place it on the top and just wait for it to finish brewing again. So just wait. Now once it's done, just open it up and as you can see, it became potion of night vision. So just simply get it and now you can use it just like so. Now when I go to night, so just set it to night right here. As you can see, it is currently midnight or night, and it is still fully clear, and I can still see everything right here like it's just day. As you can see right there, and that's how I basically make night vision potion in Minecraft.